So we'll be starting our boot camp on the 1st of Ramzan and it'll end on the last of Ramzan. It'll be between 5 to 6 days a week. We'll be dividing each day into cardio and weight training. So for weight training, the goal is to increase the metabolism of the body. That way, during the duration of the entire month, you end up burning more calories. And the point of doing cardio is just to get a healthier heart as well as target that stubborn fat within the body. As we'll be consuming less and less calories, it'll be easier for us to burn more fat and get fit in the process. So the best part to work out during, the best time to work out during Ramzan is usually right after iftar or right before iftar. If you're working out right before iftar, just make sure you hydrate yourself enough right after you break your fast. And if you're working out right after iftar, the goal is to have as less calories as possible. Just hydrate yourselves, get some energy, and then work out, and then go home and have a solid meal after that. I recommend a couple of dates in order to get energy for working out during Ramzan, or almonds, or a combination of both. Maybe 5 to 6 almonds and a couple of dates is the perfect way to start a workout. We divide the workout into cardio and weight training days. Like I explained earlier, the goal of doing weight training is to increase the muscle mass in the body, increase the metabolism, and that basically results in faster metabolism and losing more fat throughout the duration of the month. Whereas the cardio days are just to get the heart healthier, to get the heart rate up, and to target that stubborn fat that's in the body. That does not make a lot of sense. A lot of people work out during Ramzan. I have lots of friends who are trainers, who are athletes. All athletes work out during Ramzan. So that's not true. Just make sure you have enough potassium, sodium in your body and keep yourself hydrated. That's the only thing. Fasting does burn muscle, but it also burns fat. If you're eating enough protein, the end result should be that you should be able to keep most of your muscle. You do end up losing fat as well, so you do end up losing a lot of weight, but a lot of it comes from fat. It's not just muscle that we lose during Ramzan. Yes, I do recommend females working out in Ramzan. Just make sure you have enough water and enough protein. So I recommend the Ramzan Bootcamp for everyone who hasn't been working out in the last few months. We also have a lot of other classes. If you're used to working out, join the CrossFit or the Iron Box class. Either way, Ramzan is a great time to lose that excess fat in your body, guys. You won't get stronger during Ramzan, but it is by far the best time to get your heart rate up, to work your heart, to have a healthier heart, as well as lose that excess body weight that you've been carrying for a while.